Is no matter what has happened and will happen, they just know there's no one else for them and it's meant to be. It doesn't matter if the guy's perfect or the girl's perfect, as long as they're perfect together. I couldn't be happier for you both. To Mr. and Mrs. Pye.
Baby's black balloon makes her fly. Almost fell into that hole in your life. You're not thinking about tomorrow, 'cause you were the same as me, but on your knees. 1,000 other boys could never reach you. How could I have been one? I saw the world spin beneath you and scatter like ice from the spoon. It was your world. Coming down, the world turned over. Angels fall without you there. And I go on as you get colder. Or are you someone?
Fucking crying.
All of us on Melissa's side of the family have watched you transform into a beautiful woman that you are, both inside and out. And I guess if you're really going to marry this big lug, that says a lot about Dan as well. Melissa to be my wife.
Daniel, take you, Melissa, to be my wife.
I will share my life with yours,
I will share my life with yours,
build our dreams together,
build our dreams together,
support you through times of trouble,
support you through times of trouble,
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to give you respect, love, and loyalty
I promise to give you respect, love, and loyalty
through all the trials and tribulations of our lives together.
through all the trials and tribulations of our lives together.
Faithfulness.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
Whenever I look at it, I will remember this joyous day
Whenever I look at it, I will remember this joyous day
and the vows that we've made.
and the vows that we've made.
Know the lies they always told you, when the love you never knew. What's the things they never showed